What is science? Well, luckily for the both of us, we can answer that. Science is the discipline that categorizes knowledge in the form of a testable hypothesis and prediction referring to the universe. But that leads to the next question. Exactly how do scientists do it? Why does it matter? Well, before we get answers to that, it would be much easier for the both of us to break down the sciences to their respective branches and what they can be applied to. Doing that makes the answer less broad and much more digestible. The sciences are broken down to these major branches. Number one, the natural sciences, which study the natural world. Biology, chemistry, and physics fall under this category. Number two, the behavioral sciences, which study individuals and societies. Economics, psychology, and sociology fall under this category. Lastly, number three, the formal sciences, which study formal systems dictated by axioms and rules. Mathematics and theoretical computer sciences fall under this category. Now, all that is left is to expound on everything I listed. To start off with an example of the natural sciences, physics is the science that studies the structure of matter and how the fundamental residents of the universe interact. It ranges from the very small via quantum mechanics and the entire universe using general relativity. Its ultimate objective is the formulation of a few comprehensive principles that bring together and explain all phenomena. A profession that is available to these scientists can be an aeronautical engineer. These people study the performance of aircraft and propulsion systems, using their research to develop newer aircraft and their respective propulsion systems. An example of the social sciences, psychology, is the science that studies mental states, processes, and behavior in humans and animals. It conducts researches via observation, experimentation, testing, and analysis to study the biological, cognitive, emotional, personal, and social processes, and what stimuli that lies underneath it in human and animal behavior. The use of psychology may be to treat mental, emotional, physical, and social dysfunctions, or to understand or enhance behavior in various human activities. A possible career option these scientists can take would be a neuropsychiatrist. These are doctors who observe, diagnose, and treat abnormalities related to the brain and nervous systems, typically working in hospitals, albeit some may work with mental health organizations. An example of the last group for the formal sciences, computer science, is the study revolving on computers, as well as their theoretical and practical applications. This study includes the research on algorithms, data structures, computer and network designs. The application may be modeling simulations of climate change, creating art through graphic rendering, or stimulate human interface via artificial intelligence. A career available to these scientists would be a hardware engineer. These scientists develop computer systems and other components, such as routers, circuit boards, and monitors. They can also update older equipment, making it more compatible with modern applications. Going back to the question, what is science? Well, luckily for the both of us, we can answer that. Science is the discipline that categorizes knowledge in the form of a testable hypothesis and prediction referring to the universe. That leads to the next question. How do scientists do it, and why does it matter? A shared trait between all the branches of the sciences is that scientists conduct research and study through observation, experimentation, data analysis, and relaying the results. All these to gain a deeper understanding of the universe we live in and transform it into practical applications for the benefits of mankind. Citing all that, the question of why does it matter kind of answered itself, no? I'm gonna